Hi everybody, I'm Ms. Blake and I'm your English 1A instructor. One goal for any class that I teach is that I want to create a community of safety and respect where we feel comfortable sharing, discussing, debating, and disagreeing with each other. And one way to get comfortable with each other is to get to know each other. So I'll introduce myself and the class, and then it will be your turn. Alright, so as I said, I am Ms. Blake and I've been teaching college English for over 5 years. Before I was in book publishing. I love books. And I decided to get my master's just for myself. While I was getting my master's, I was given the opportunity to become a supplemental instructor, which means that I would work with the professor. She would teach the lecture, and I would lead the discussion part, where we would expand on what was discussed in the lecture. So like grammar and writing concepts, and we'd have more one-on-one time. I thought it'd be like any other tutoring gig that I had. I was shocked on the first day. I loved it. It felt so natural, and I wasn't nervous or scared. I was like, this is what I'm supposed to do with my life. And I have been ever since, and I love it. So more about me personally is that I am a triplet. I have 2 brothers. No, we are not identical. No, I don't know what they're thinking. And no, I don't know when they feel pain. One of my all-time favorite hobbies is to read. That's almost like a duh because I'm an English teacher, right? I also do karate. Surprise! I've been doing karate for a little over 3 years. I'm a green-brown belt, and I'm just waiting for the brown belt test. It's going to be 8 hours of, but I'm ready for it, and I can't wait for it to happen, and I just want to get it over with. Okay? And so that's a little bit about me. We'll learn about each other more, and I'll share more as the semester continues. Let me share a little bit about the class. The class is all centered around the theme of identity. Different facets of people's identity, like sexuality, religion, culture, language, family, career, all of that. So we'll be reading essays and articles and even a novel about people and their different identities and what changed them, what they learned from it, what we can learn from it. It'll be awesome. Every essay that you write will be about identity. You'll be creating a question about it, or you'll be looking at a problem or an issue about identity. Right? And I hope you are as creative and out of the box as you'd like to be. It'll be fun. All right. So that's me. That's the class. Please watch the next video. It'll be entitled Syllabus. It'll go over the syllabus and the policies, the rules, how to contact me. It's important because that's where you learn more about the class. And hey, we're going to take a quiz on it. So, yeah. Thank you. I'm Ms. Blake, and this was English 1A.